Hi, I am Ahmet Yasin Alyaz and I'm from Turkey. I am studying at Middle East Technical University and my major is Electrical and Electronical Engineering. This is my second year at my university. Last year I was prep and now this is my first year at my major. And hopefully I will graduate at 2029, I hope. So I sold water at City Lights like 5 or 6 years ago. I make some profit for myself. I do that job on my own. So this is my only work experience actually, if it counts. So I have a football team in my university. I am captain, so we play football. I played chess for 4 years, but now I quit because I don't have enough time, and I won some trophies and medallions. And now I do gym 5 days in a week. The most part of my time goes there because I need to study either. So this is my hobbies. My future career goal is working at defense industry in my country because the best industry in my country is defense industry. I don't know if you heard about it. I think I am a smart and hardworking person. This is how I actually won this university, which is the best university in my country actually. So if you want to see a friendly, hardworking and smart employees, you should employ me, I think. I think the most challenging part at working at United States would be different culture, like the language, the way you eat, the way you live, the way you speak. All of things would be difficult actually, but I think I will get used to it. I will get used to live like you live. I hope. So I'm looking forward to see California actually. California is like a dream city, my dream city for me. And if you want to travel is Turkey, you need to see actually Istanbul. Istanbul is the most historical and the most, I don't know, you can find everything in Istanbul. Cultures, history, as I said, and foods. You need to see Istanbul if you want to see Turkey actually. So I am looking forward to see you actually. I hope you enjoyed it and thanks for your time. See you, I hope.